Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing this 2-in-1 Silvercrest steam cleaner from Lidl. Let's dive right into it. First, let's take a look at the packaging. It's compact, it shows off the tool, some basic information, the accessories it includes, and a picture of it being used. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we've got the manual, a variety of accessories, and the steam mop. Let's take a closer look at each accessory. First, we've got the upholstery attachment. Next is the carpet glider, also for tile and wood floors. Here we have the extension hose and the fiber cover for the upholstery attachment. The small round brush is metal, and it's intended for hobs and other solid metal surfaces that you're not afraid to scratch up. The squeegee attachment goes on the upholstery attachment, and it's for cleaning windows. The extension nozzle is meant to be used with smaller attachments, like the oblong brush, meant for cleaning grout lines. The angle nozzle, for cleaning hard-to-reach places. Last, we have the large round brush and the scraper. The large round brush is for cleaning multitude of surfaces, like sinks, hobs, showers, fridges, etc. The scraper is meant for removing residues from hobs. To attach the bigger accessories, align them with the switch and push until you hear a click. Push on the front of the switch to unlock it. The extension nozzle gets attached to the extension hose the same way. To attach the smaller nozzles to it, align them and push, then twist to lock them into place. The folding button is on the top of the handle. The button below it releases the machine from the handle. Here's how to get the fiber cloth attached to the steam foot. Filling the tank with water is as simple as filling a regular iron. Twisting the button starts heating the device. It takes about 30 seconds to heat it up. My initial impression is that as far as affordable steam cleaners go, you can't go wrong with this one. It's fairly strong, the cable is very long, and it's got a lot of attachments. This is also the 4th iteration of this mop, so they should have gotten most of the kinks out. So, do you have one? What do you think of it? Share in the comments and don't hesitate to ask me any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and DIY tips. See you next time.